2011 Physics Senior External Exam, Paper 1, Part A, Section 1, Multiple Choice, Question 5. A 1.5 kilogram shot, that's important information, let's circle it, used in shot put is accidentally dropped onto the ground. The graph shows the net force acting on the shot by the ground. So we have a force on the vertical axis, we have time on the horizontal axis. The area under this will be height times width, will be force multiplied by time, so therefore that's an impulse, the area under that graph. Impulse being change in momentum, being mass by change in velocity, being force by change in time. Now, the question, the shot's change in momentum is, okay, we need to calculate the area underneath this particular graph, and the way to do that is to divide it up into two triangles. The triangle on the left here, and we work out a half base times height for that particular triangle. So it's a half, a base of 0.2 and a height of 8. So therefore 0.5 times 0.2 times 8 equals, so that's an area of 0.8. That's the area of that particular triangle. The area of this triangle again is a half base times height, so it's a half, a base of 0.2 to 0.25 will be 0.05. So let me mark that point, 0.25. So therefore from here to here is 0.05, and it's a height of 8. Let's go through and multiply this one out. 0.05 times 8 divided by 2 equals 0.02. The area of that equals 0.2. So we have the total area under the graph being 0.8 plus 0.2, which is 1.0. And so therefore, as I said here initially, we've got a force versus time graph. It's the area underneath this graph, which is your impulse, which is your change in momentum. And we've added up the area of our two triangles, and we get an answer of 1. And of course, the unit for impulse is the same as the impulse for change in momentum, which is kilograms meters per second. And it can also be Newton second. So it could be kilograms meters per second, or it could be Newton second. Either one of those units. In this particular case, the correct answer is B, 1.00 kilograms meters per second.